Do you want to create a packing rule for a handling unit? To do this, select the desired handling unit. Now select the Insert into Packing Rule icon. In the window that now opens, you can select a handling unit. Clicking Save creates a packing instruction for the handling units. The success or failure of this operation will be displayed on the screen. Now, let's select the handling unit again to verify the result. Use the filtering options of the DSCS for this purpose. As you can see, the previously selected handling unit has been added to the packing instruction. Thank you for your attention.